Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, then massive welcome to my channel. Let's ask a quick question to ourselves. What if our MuleSoft integration could think in terms of reasoning, planning, and execution? Let's draw this picture where user simply types, plan me a 10-day trip, Mumbai to Dubai, Dubai to Paris, Paris to New York. Book flights, find hotels, check visa requirements, and give me day-by-day itinerary. One sentence, 10 days of planning, flights, hotels, visas, itineraries across different cities, different countries, and across different backend system. This is not fantasy anymore. This is exactly happening via MuleSoft Agent Fabric, where you'll get a user request in natural language. That request will reach to the intelligent broker. That intelligent broker will understand the intent of the request using LLM. It will break that request into a multiple tasks. Then delegate those tasks to specialized agents. And these specialized agents will execute those tasks and the returns response back to the broker. Broker will have LLM capability to reason and synthesize those results which are coming from these specialized agents and finally generates the perfect 10-day itinerary plan. And this is exactly we are going to build step by step live in this course. So I'm kicking off a brand new course on MuleSoft Agent Fabric on my channel where we'll take our concept to a production. We'll build a multi-agent travel planner with MuleSoft Agent Fabric capabilities from a scratch where intelligent broker, specialized agents, MCP servers, and there'll be LLMs to reason and plan. Now let me walk you through the complete roadmap of this course. I have splitted this course into 5 episodes. Episode 1, where we'll cover everything conceptually, what is Agent Fabric means, how it works, what are the building blocks, and how the architecture looks like. So at the end of this episode 1, you'll understand exactly what we are going to build and why it works the way it does. In episode 2, we'll build our first agent network project with the help of simple YAML file and exchange.json file. In YAML file, we'll configure the behavior of our agent network, and in exchange.json file, we'll keep the metadata about the exchange. In episode 3, we'll implement the agents and wire them together under the intelligent broker. In episode 4 and 5, we'll build the Omni gateways, ingress for incoming traffic and egress for outgoing traffic. We'll publish all our agent network assets to Exchange. We'll build and deploy our agent network project to Cloud Hub. And finally, we'll test end-to-end live. So by end of this course, you'll be having production-ready agentic solution by using MuleSoft Agent Fabric in your production. Now, this is the entire roadmap of the course. Please go ahead and bookmark this particular playlist, and I will see you in the episode 1 of this course.